Show you the 2018 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, adaptive cruise control, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.